Over 90% of car owners are throwing money away every single year, and they have no idea these simple fixes even exist. Here's the part that should make your blood boil. One single hack on this list can stop you from handing a detailing shop hundreds of dollars. Mechanics and dealers have zero incentive to show you these. Before you spend another cent on your car, I'm giving you 15 of the most effective money-saving car hacks that actually work. These aren't gimmicks. They're real-world tricks that keep more cash in your pocket and make your car look and run better. Let's get into it. Hack number 15, the shaving cream headlight fix. Cloudy yellow headlights don't just look terrible, they cut your night vision and make every drive after dark more dangerous. Detail shops love charging $75 to $150 to restore them. Skip that bill. Grab a can of basic shaving cream, cover both headlights with a thick layer and work it in with a soft cloth using small circles. Let it sit 5 minutes, then wipe everything clean with a damp towel. The cream breaks down the oxidized layer that UV rays leave on plastic lenses and lifts the haze right off. Suddenly your headlights are clear again and nighttime visibility jumps. Hack number 14, the WD-40 paint revoer. Dull, lifeless paint makes even a clean car look neglected. Dealers will gladly take $100 $200 for a full correction and polish. Here, the garage secret instead. Spray a light coat of WD-40 onto a microfiber cloth or a light mist on the paint itself and wipe in long, even strokes. Buff immediately with a clean, dry cloth. It fills fine swirl marks, cuts through the embedded film regular soap misses, and leaves the clear coat looking deep and glossy again. A $5 can covers the whole car several times. Most faded paint isn't actually damaged. Hack number 13, the bar soap wiper fix. Chattering, streaking wipers are annoying and unsafe. New blades run $30.60 at the shop. Before you buy, take a regular bar of soap and rub it firmly along the rubber edge of each blade until it's fully coated. Run the wipers with washer fluid a few times to spread it. The soap removes the invisible film of road grime and oxidation that makes blades skip and chatter. Suddenly they glide smooth and quiet. A $1 bar treats every blade repeatedly and can add months of life to blades you were ready to throw away. Hack number 12, the cola and foil rim cleaner. Brake dust bakes onto rims and laughs at regular wheel cleaners. Dealers charge $40.80 to strip and reseal a set. Pour a can of cola over the rim, let it sit a few minutes, then scrub with crumpled aluminum foil in circular motions. Rinse thoroughly. The phosphoric acid loosens the baked-on dust while the foil acts like ultrafine steel wool and lifts it without scratching clear-coated rims. $1 can clean an entire set. That same acid is a diluted version of what professional cleaners use. Hack number 11, the Vaseline mirror shield. Faded, chalky, cracked side mirror housings make an otherwise clean car look old. Dealerships want $150 $300 per housing. Rub a thin layer of petroleum jelly into the plastic, working it into faded or cracked spots, then buff off the excess. It restores the deep black color and leaves a protective barrier against more UV damage. A $3 jar treats every black plastic piece on the car. That chalky look is surface oxidation, not permanent destruction, and it's often fully reversible. Use the same method on bumper trim, door handles, and any other black plastic accents. Hack number 10, the lemon terminal cleaner. Car won't start and you see white or blue crust around the battery terminals. Mechanic says the battery is dying. $150 to $300 later. Cut a lemon in half, squeeze the juice over the corroded terminals, wait a couple minutes, scrub with an old toothbrush, wipe clean and reconnect. Citric acid neutralizes the corrosion on contact. Many times the car starts perfectly again with 0 parts replaced. A lemon costs less than $1. Corroded terminals mimic a dead battery almost perfectly, and not every shop checks the difference first. Hack number 9, the WD-40 license plate refresh. Grimy, faded plates with rust starting at the screws look terrible and can even fail inspection in some states. Spray WD-40 on the plate, let it sit a minute, wipe clean, hit the screws and edges extra. It cuts grime and stops moisture from spreading rust. One can handle this job for years. Most plate rust begins at the screws where water sits, so treating those spots stops the majority of the damage. Hack number 8, the Lysol floor mat refresh. Musty floor mats that never smell clean no matter how much you vacuum. Full interior odor treatments run $50 $100. Pull the mats out, spray them generously with Lysol and let them sit in the sun 15-20 minutes before rinsing or wiping. The disinfectant kills the bacteria living in the fibers, the real source of the smell, instead of just covering it. One can treat every mat repeatedly. Most mat odor is bacteria breeding in trapped moisture. Air fresheners only hide it. The same spray works on seat fabric and headliners. Dry the mats completely before putting them back or moisture returns. 5 minutes once a season kills the problem at the source. Hack number 7, the bar soap key protector. Keys getting sticky, worn, or squeaky every time you turn them. Dealership replacement keys can cost $150 $400. Rub a bar of soap along the metal grooves a few times and wipe the excess. The soap fills microscopic imperfections and reduces metal-on-metal friction inside the lock and ignition. Keys turn smoother and wear slower. A $1 bar treats every key on your ring. Most key wear comes from repeated dry friction that almost nobody lubricates. It also helps in cold weather when metal contracts and locks stick. Repeat every couple of months on older mechanical keys and you can avoid one of the most expensive and annoying replacements out there. Hack number 6, the baking soda sidewall cleaner. Brown stained tire sidewalls that tire shine never fully fixes. Full tire detailing runs $30.60. Mix baking soda with a little water into a paste, scrub the sidewalls with a stiff brush, let it sit a couple minutes, then rinse. Baking soda breaks down the oxidation agents in the rubber and lifts the brown film without damaging the surface. Sidewalls come out deep black again. A $1 box treats every tire repeatedly. That browning is built into the rubber's oxidation process. Unlike spray-on shine, this leaves no residue that flings onto paint or wheels. The same paste works on rubber trim around the wheel wells. One box handles a full year of tire cleaning. Hack number 5, the makeup brush gauge cluster cleaner. Dust packed into gauge clusters, vents, and textured dash surfaces that cloths can't reach. Full interior details cost $50 $100 just to address it. Grab a soft, fluffy makeup brush and gently sweep every crevice. Soft bristles lift dust without scratching plastic or leaving lint. The whole dash looks freshly detailed in minutes. A $5.10 brush lasts years. Detailers use nearly identical soft brushes just marked up for the auto aisle. The same brush cleans center console buttons, cup holders, and even the infotainment screen without scratches. Keep one in the glove box and a cleaner interior is always seconds away. Hack number 4, the potato fog-free windshield trick. Fogged windshields in cold or rainy weather kill visibility exactly when you need it most. Anti-fog treatments run $30.50. Cut a potato in half and rub the cut side across the entire inside of the windshield. Buff with a dry cloth. The starch leaves a thin film that stops moisture from condensing into fog. The glass stays clear even in heavy rain or freezing temps. A potato costs almost nothing and treats every window. Most commercial anti-fog products use the same starch-based idea at a huge markup. One application can last several weeks. It also works on side windows and the rearview mirror. Do it before the first cold snap and you stay ahead of the problem. Hack number 3, the white vinegar engine bay cleaner. A grimy, greasy engine bay makes any car look neglected the second you open the hood. Professional engine details cost $75 $150. Mix white vinegar with water in a spray bottle and apply it to cooled, non-electrical components. Let it sit a few minutes, then wipe or carefully rinse while avoiding wiring and sensors. The acidity cuts grease without harsh chemical residue. The bay looks cleaner and better maintained. A couple of dollars of vinegar lasts for multiple cleanings. Vinegar's acidity is why many commercial degreasers start with the same base. Hack number 2, the fuel door emergency release. You're at a pump, the fuel door button does nothing, and you're stuck. Most people assume it's broken and call for help. Almost every modern car has a manual fuel door release inside the trunk, usually a small lever or tab near the latch, sometimes in the glove box. Pop the trunk, find it, and pull. The door opens instantly even with a dead battery or failed electric switch. This backup exists for exactly these situations, yet most owners' manuals barely mention it and rental desks almost never show you. 10 seconds of checking when you first get a rental or borrowed car means you never get stranded at a gas station again. Hack number 1, the coconut dashboard refresher. Stale, musty, or completely lifeless interior smell that air fresheners never fix for long. Professional odor treatments run $50 $100. Take a small amount of coconut oil on a cloth and lightly wipe the dashboard and interior trim. The natural oils condition the plastic and slowly release a subtle, long-lasting scent as the sun warms the cabin. The interior looks conditioned and smells naturally fresh for weeks, no chemical fragrance. A couple of dollars of coconut treats the whole cabin multiple times. Most dashboard conditioners work on the same light oil principle. The oil also helps protect against the cracking that years of sun cause. One application can keep the cabin smelling fresh well into the next season without ever smelling artificial or overpowering. If any of these just saved you a trip to the shop or a fat repair bill, hit subscribe. More money-saving car secrets are coming that the industry would rather keep quiet. Your wallet will thank you. Mechanics still have plenty more they're not telling you. Click the next video and keep the savings going.